Is your Facebook app running slow, freezing, or acting glitchy? I'll show you how to clear the Facebook cache on your mobile phone to fix these issues quickly. First, open the Settings app on your Android or iPhone. For Android phones, scroll down and tap Apps or Apps and Notifications, then find and select Facebook. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. For iPhone, Facebook doesn't have a direct cache clearing option. The best way is to delete and reinstall the app. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that may be causing glitches or slow performance, but it won't delete your Facebook account or posts. After clearing the cache or reinstalling, open the Facebook app again. You should notice improved speed, smoother scrolling, and fewer glitches. That's it. Now you know how to clear the Facebook cache on your mobile phone to fix app glitches. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more quick Facebook and mobile tips.